How to set the phone to always read caller names aloud on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then on the home screen, open up the phone app. Next, tap on the More button. Then from the pop-up, tap on Settings. Now in Call Settings, we scroll down and then tap on Answering and Ending Calls. After that, we go down and tap on Read Caller Names Aloud. Tap on the left-hand side panel. At the top here, make sure you tap on the toggle button to switch it on. Then we go down and select Always. So when you select Always, it doesn't matter whether you are connected to a headphones or not. The phone will always read caller names aloud. So here, if I give myself a call,
It jungles FaceTime.
and that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.